In our video about spreads, we mentioned how that was just one of the ways that brokers make money. Today, we talk about the other. Commissions are the fees that you pay to your broker in exchange for their services. Commissions can be charged on a per trade basis, or they can be included in the spread. Per trade commissions are charged on a per trade basis, and remember that opening and closing a position is 2 trades, so expect to pay twice. Additionally, sometimes you'll see per trade commissions referred to as half turn commissions. You'll also encounter brokers who charge for the opening and closing of the position all at once, and this will be referred to as round trip commissions. To calculate these, multiply the commission rate by the volume of your trade. For example, if you have a commission rate of 50 cents per lot and you trade 3 lots, your commission would be $1.50 per trade. In spread commissions, the commission actually widens the spread, making it more likely that the spread knocks you out of your trade. So which type of commission is better? Well, it depends on your trading style and frequency. Per trade commissions can be lower than spread commissions if you don't trade often or in large volumes. Conversely, spread commissions can end up being lower if you trade more frequently or in small volumes. If you're looking for a rule of thumb and you trade the higher timeframes with less overall trades, go with per trade commissions. If you're scalping the lower timeframes and taking multiple entries per session, go ahead and take those spread commissions, but research different brokers and fight for the best spread that you can get. On the topic of fighting for the best spread, London and New York trading sessions are the most liquid, so those are the best times to get that really good tight spread. Also, shop around for a broker with low commissions. The Forex broker space is really competitive and it benefits us, the traders. Find the most favorable fee structure for your style of trading, and if you can, negotiate your commissions with your broker. If you're a high volume or frequency trader, it's possible to negotiate lower or bulk rate prices. In shopping around, consider using a Forex ECN account or a proprietary firm to get better rates on commissions and spreads. But that's a topic for another video.